Let her get a sniff of it.
Here. Check his butt. Don't eat that. Look. Look, watch. Watch. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Look. Checkers. Look. Do it.
No, cats usually won't do stuff when you want them to. She's just being goofy.
Oh, now I got a whole mouthful of hair. Look. I know you ate it all. Here, you want more?
What is it, peppermint chapstick?
Yeah.
Cool.
Have to clean it off and I'm done full of hair.
Your hair's in the way.
Yummy, huh? My hair?
Yeah, your hair was hanging down. Didn't get any of that.
Oh,
Oh.
Now I won't. Here. You want to eat that? You can't eat that. You can't eat that. Here. You can't eat that. Here. Stop. Look. Checkers.
I think Anne was told not to ever do that again, to use her pull string.
Hey,
Did you hear me?
Yeah.